How to create TikTok account. So if you want to create your TikTok account, first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner. After tapping on that icon, tap on the three-barred icon which is on the top right corner. After tapping on the three-barred icon, tap on My Account Sign Up. And then you can sign up by using Facebook, Gmail or Twitter, but now I am using my mobile number or email. So tap on mobile number or email and you should enter your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, tap on send code. After tapping on send code, it will ask you to solve some puzzles. So solve the puzzles. So after solving the puzzle, TikTok will send you a 6-digit code. Enter that 6-digit code and then you will create a TikTok account successfully. So this is how you create a TikTok account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.